Hello everyone, I'm Jingyi Chen, a professor in the Industrial Design Department. Welcome to our EMI course. I'm excited to share some tips on how to make the most of your learning experience in an EMI environment. First, let's talk about mindset. Learning in English can feel challenging at first, but remember, growth happens outside your comfort zone. See this as an opportunity to improve not only your design skills, but also your English communication abilities. Mistakes are part of learning, so don't be afraid to try and speak up in class. First, get ready before class. Go through the materials ahead of time, highlight important words and check their meanings. Second, take notes in English. Write down keywords and phrases during lectures. This helps you get used to think in English. Third, speak up. Don't be shy about asking questions. It's one of the best ways to understand better and feel more confident. Fourth, work with others. Team up with classmates. Talking and working in English with others can help you practice and learn faster. Consistency is key. Spend a few minutes every day reviewing vocabularies and key concepts. Also, remind yourself why you are here, whether it's to prepare for international career or to develop global perspectives. Stay motivated and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Finally, don't forget you are not alone in this journey. We're here to support you every step of the way. Let's work together and make the EMI course a rewarding experience. See you in class.
Hello, today I want to share some tips about student-centered classroom, particularly active learning. This method aims to make students active learners instead of passive receivers. I divide my experience in implementing active learning into two parts. The first part is a short-term engagement, and the second part is a continuous engagement. An example is the circuit theory class on April 2nd. I started with small talks, sharing some silly jokes and discussion only non-professional content to create a relaxed atmosphere. Since it's a second language, making the class more interesting is crucial. I then spent about 10 minutes on theory. Next, I had students form groups by drawing playing cards. Each group received different problems to solve in 15 minutes. After reviewing the answers, I explained any questions all groups got wrong, and this approach kept everyone fully attentive. By having them think first and then teaching, the student-centered method surprisingly makes the teacher the actual center of the classroom. And finally, for the groups that answer correctly, I invite students to do peer instruction. Their classmates were very interested in seeing how their peers solve problems and explain in English. This method helps overcome language barrier. Another approach is the flipped classroom. Instead of starting with explanations, I provided materials for students to study a week in advance. In class, after explaining the rule, I immediately present questions for students to discuss and answer. This isn't a strict exam setting. Students can discuss and share ideas, bringing energy into the classroom. I start with simple questions, explain the answers, and gradually move to more advanced ones. This cycle keeps students focused on thinking and finding answers, making them forget the class is in English. So those methods are short-term engagement improvements. And as for the long-term part, I used to apply problem-based learning, inquiry-based learning, or project-based learning to teaching. So students explore the content outside the textbook This helps them bridge the gap between academic and real-world requirements. In addition, they won't be passive receiver for all the contents given from a lecture. They become active learner so that they can explore the contents that is important to real-world issue. So that's all for my sharing. Thank you.